So we're going to balance an equation between nitric acid reacting with calcium hydroxide. It will produce calcium nitrate plus water. And then here's the symbol. So step 1, divide the reactant and the product. Step 2, we're going to list the atoms. So we've got hydrogen, hydrogen, and so as you can see, all the atoms are listed, and I'm going to now number the number of atoms. So over this side I've got 1 hydrogen, nitrogen I've got 1, oxygen, well I've got 2 within the brackets, plus 3, so that's 5, and I've got 1 calcium. This side I've got 1 calcium. With regards to hydrogen, we've got 2. Oxygen, we've got 1 there, but we've got 3 and we've got 2. So 2 times the 3 plus the 1, so that will give us 7. And nitrogen on this side, we've got it in there in the bracket, so we've got 2 there. So that's all our numbers. So once you've listed the atoms, it's definitely worth checking. So I've just checked through them, and then I've realised, so I've put 1 there. Well, actually I've got 1 there, and I've got 2 there, so it's 2 times the 1 plus the 1. So actually I do have 3, let's make that a bit better, 3 atoms of hydrogen on that side. So starting out is sometimes it can be difficult to work out what you're going to start with. So if I'm looking at here, I've got 2 and 3, so I'm going to go with that. So I've got 2 hydrogen and I've got 3 hydrogen this side, so I need to balance up, and the only way you can do that is add big numbers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a 2 like so. Now I've got 4 hydrogen there, so then that's going to make that into a 4, and I'm also going to check, so I've got 4 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen this side. So again, but before I do that, my oxygens change. So I originally had 7, so I've had an extra oxygen there, so that's going to now become an 8. I'm just going to tweak like so. Now I need to balance that 3 to a 4, so I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to put a 2 there, okay. So then that will make it to a 4, so that's looking balanced. Now nitrogen is 2, and here that will make that a 2, so now that looks in good order. Oxygen, so here I've got 2 and I've got 3, so that's going to be 2 times 3 is now going to be 6, 7, 8. So I'll say that again. So I've got 2 there and I've got a 3, so it's 2 times the 3, so that makes my 6. And then within the bracket I've got oxygen and I've got 2 lots in there, so 6 plus the 2 makes the 8, and calcium's good as well. So 4 and 4 hydrogen, 2 and 2 nitrogen, 8 and 8 oxygen, 1 and 1 calcium. Therefore we have our balanced equation.